Good afternoon, sir. My LTP is based from the strand social organization and processes. My substrand is types of government. It is an introductory class. My lesson preparation, my notes is taken from the year 10 social science textbook, and also further research was done online. My previous knowledge, students should have a fair knowledge of the meaning of the term government, and also I will ask students what they understand by the word government or how the country is being operated. My learning objectives, on completing this lesson, able to understand the three domains. The first one is define the term government, which is based from the cognitive domain. The second one is identify and understand the types of government and its functions, which is the psychomotor domain. And the third one is appreciate the importance of government, which is affective domain. My teaching resources, I will be using charts, blackboard, and pentel pens. Oops. My lesson development, introduction, I will greet the students, and then I will brainstorm on the topic government. This is basically what they understand by the word government, what comes into their mind when they see the word government. And then my student activity, students respond to greetings, students actively answered according to what they know and understand. My content summary, students respond to greeting, and definition of government is well defined, and this will help me realize that they can tackle this topic too. My motivational activity is crossword puzzle. My crossword puzzle will be I will do it in a chart, and the students will come up to the board and do the activity for them to get themselves engaged in. And my development, facilitate discussion on the topic, mainly highlight on the first three governments, which is the first three governments: traditional government, colonial government, and democracy government. And then briefly discuss on the functions of a government. Functions of government are military defense, domestic order, and the third one is administration of justice. After discussing the notes, I will give them time to write down the notes. Also, before that, I will pose open questions. Questions like what they understand by the term traditional government. I have already discussed it. By doing that, I can test whether they are paying attention or no. And then my conclusion, I will summarize the main points of a topic, mainly from my learning objective, and then I will conduct class activity, which is based from the question differentiate between traditional and colonial government, which is 4 points, 4 marks. And then I will give them homework, list down the importance of government, which is also 4 marks. And then I will summarize. For content summary, I will summarize the notes, and yes, they were given class activity to answer. And here is my lesson notes compiled together. Government, why is government important? The functions of government, and the traditional government, colonial government, democracy government. My motivational activity, so I will do it in a chat. Thank you.